So today's Sunday. I ended up being off today, and so it's just going to be a maintenance day for my truck. I need to get in the shop. The shop I use for my oil changes doesn't open until 3. So I still got about 3.5 hours or so. So what I'm going to do is probably run up to the truck stop up near Lima, and I got to drop off my oil sample in the FedEx box, since I took an oil sample in my truck yesterday, get that sent off to the lab. And then just minor maintenance stuff. I'm gonna go get my truck washed and then go to my trailer. I want to put some, since I don't have my half fenders anymore, I've got some mud flap, like it's like the mud flaps that go on the quarter fenders. I'm gonna flip them upside down basically and just put them on the front of the trailer to try to keep stuff from slinging up on my truck after I hook to my trailer. Hopefully it'll help a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna install those. So I'm gonna take my drill bits and all that stuff, take my impact, and we'll install that. I also just need to do a few like minor things. I'm gonna swap out some lights. Let's see, so I got all this. Got connectors, some heat shrink, and I need to replace my glad hand seals on the trailer. So I'll grab some of those before we head out. I need a 2-inch gasket because I'm gonna take out the rear marker lights that are riveted in. I'm gonna take out, I think I already have a marker light I'm gonna use, but I need to go grab a, do I have it on here? I should. Nope. Alright, so I'm gonna have to go grab one of the red lights. I think it's in my room for some reason, but I need to go grab one of my trailer marker lights for the rear, swap it out. It's been flickering every now and then, and the light that I'm going to change out, I don't have it's like a different prong. I don't know, I'll show you later whenever I get to my trailer, but it's different from what I have, and I can't find any of the yellow marker lights that like have that, I don't know what the hell, that take the connector that it came with from the factory. So I'm just going to splice and swap out the connectors to something that's a lot more common. But anyway, we're going to do that. I already have oil filters in my truck because I decided to start using, like, just go to the shop and hand them my Fleet Guard oil filters, have them use those. Fuel filters should be fine for a little bit longer. And then my truck takes about 38 to, yeah, I think it's 38 quarts, but I'm going to take 4 of these. They're 10 ounces each. You're supposed to use 1 ounce. Well, at first, you're supposed to use 2 ounces per quart that your truck takes, and then after that, use 1 ounce at every oil change for the friction eliminator. So I'm just going to take 4 of these. After I get my oil change, dump those in. Should be good there. But, yeah. I bought this to put on the intake boot because the hose clamp that's on there right now ended up coming off. And this is what I was talking about here. I kind of got stuff all over the place. But these are the connectors that I'll be swapping out, or swapping to go in the lights that I bought. Because the other connector that came with my trailer, that like with the lights that came with the trailer, don't freaking work. Like they're different connectors. So anyway, we're gonna swap those out. My jars keep falling over. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so we got oil filters, friction eliminator, got my truck washed. First thing I'm gonna do is just swap out my glad hand seals. I'll swap those out on my trailer, and then we'll move from there. That front part right there will be easy as hell on that side to get to, but on this side I gotta take this little cover. I mean, it's just 4 screws and bolts holding on. I think they're 9, well, those are way smaller than 9/16, but those will be easy. I'll just take those out, take that little beauty cover off to where I'll be able to kind of drill in here to where the mud flap will or the top, whatever it is, where the like quarter mud flap will sit here, about right here. What it is just, you know, you see all these rocks and stuff. Even though I have these quarter fenders, they don't, when I'm hooked to the trailer, they still, you know, allow stuff to go right over them and hit the back of my cab. So but anyway, we'll figure it out. We will just gotta get some shorter bolts and we'll be good to go. Pick this up tomorrow. Alright, so this is the one I was having issues with. I'm gonna drill out these rivets and then we'll put a grommet with a new light in there. White on white, black on black. Oh, yeah. All right, that's done. New light installed.